All right, man. What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another, man. Today we gonna be going to the muffler shop and getting these Dyno racing bullets installed on my car. These came in Monday or Tuesday. Oh, they in my trunk. I'm tripping. These came in Monday or Tuesday. I will leave a link in the description on where to purchase these at, just in case y'all wanted them. Try to focus. So I'm gonna give y'all a little quick cold start without them put on, then I'm gonna do it with them put on. So. Alright, man, so that's the cold start. I'm finna go to the shop, finna get them to install it. I'm gonna be back with y'all when we get up there.